Welcome to the Gavert Atelier Nagomi Hair Spa, a unique, tranquil oasis in our busy, hectic world. Conceived of by owner Stuart Gavert after traveling to Thailand and receiving a shampoo and scalp massage while lying down. The Nagomi Hair Spa is designed to take you to a place you've never been before. It is an experience of totally relaxing shiatsu massage and shampooing, leading to stress relief, brainwave modification to achieve ultimate peacefulness, and incredible conditioning treatments for perfect, silky hair. The very name, Nagomi, means tranquil in Japanese. Our signature treatment was developed by bringing an Anma shiatsu master from Japan who trained our staff in this special massage technique. Our staff has spent many hours practicing to perfect themselves, following the Japanese concept of kaizen, which means continual improvement. We have found this stress relief to counteract aging, leaving our clients feeling refreshed and more youthful. Please come and experience Nagomi Hair Spa.